Clobotics IBIS is the most advanced and cost-effective drone system for blade inspections. It can automatically inspect all 3 blades in just 17 minutes. The camera delivers sharp images even in low light or overcast conditions. IBIS has been optimized to keep downtime to a minimum for onshore and offshore inspections. Kiwi reveals defects like laminate cracks before they become costly problems. Our advanced crawler enables internal inspections of up to 3 turbines daily. Kiwi is equipped with 26 megapixels HDR cameras and LED lighting for high-resolution photos. Clobotics Hummingbird equipped with advanced vision algorithm to assist pilots, and also applied needle array for piercing through the oxide layers. Use GPT-based AI model to analyze the inspection data and plan maintenance campaigns. After the inspection, the data is analyzed and presented in our market-leading online portal. Use the portal to assess defects and generate custom report for maintenance planning.